Good afternoon. I am Purio Angela A. from BSA 2-4, and today we're going to make a silage. So here is our ingredients: molasses, porridge grass, and a small container. And now we're going to cut our porridge grass into 3 to 5 centimeter long. And our cut porridge grass, we're going to put it into our small container. Now, we're going to put a 50 grams or 5% of molasses to our cut forage grass. And then we're going to mix it. So make sure that there's no air inside of the container. Make sure that your container is full of porridge grass so that the air cannot come inside your container. And after we put molasses and mix it together with the cut grasses, forage grasses of 3 to 5 centimeter long, we're going to close our container tightly. And now we have our final product, our silage or silage.